said I would.
No, honey. Sorry, I'm just trying to find my friends and my husband.
I'm just looking.
Down here somewhere. They said they were at the exact same spot they were last night, but now I'm like, where was that spot?
Tantrum. Look at this big old truck right here, y'all.
Sorry, you have to ride with the one that doesn't know where they're going.
I don't care, miss. I'm just looking around. I ain't never been here, so everywhere you taking me is new to me. Oh shit, he got all kind of bees right there. Man, he got some little bit of headers on him. Got some good headers on there. Just got out there. Oh, he's pulling somebody out. Pull him out the moment. Man, they got a tall ass truck. Man, oh, he got 6'2" in there too. Man, what the hell is that? They done made a truck. Tank 6. Oh, she said, wait.
No, I got him.
Okay. Man.
What's that?
I said, where they gonna let you park at?
Right here. Hey!
Hey! This thing got a little power too. How y'all doing, mister? Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.